Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to combine data from multiple sheets into one master tab right in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a handful of student lists, consolidating monthly sales reports, or just trying to keep your projects organized, by the end of this tutorial you'll know a super simple way to pull everything together. No add-ons or complicated coding required. Alright, let's dive right in. I'm going to assume you've already got your Google Sheets document open and you've got several sheets, each with its own set of data ready to go. Maybe you have a tab for January, one for February, and another for March, or maybe separate sheets for different team members. The end goal is to pull all this scattered information into one tidy master tab where you can see everything at a glance. First, click on the tab where you want all this combined data to live. It often helps to clearly label this as Master or Summary so there's no confusion. Once you're there, select a blank cell where you want the combined data to start showing up. Most people use the very first cell, A1, but you could start anywhere you like. Now here's the magic, type an equals sign, just equals. This tells Google Sheets you're about to enter a formula. Next, click on your first sheet, the one with your first set of data. As soon as you click, you'll jump into that sheet and you'll notice the formula in the bar updates automatically to show what sheet you're on. Now highlight all the cells in that sheet that you want to combine. For example, if you want everything in columns A through D from rows 1 to 20, just click and drag to highlight that whole block. Take a moment to double check you're capturing all the right data, there's no rush. Once you've selected everything, you'll notice your formula now reads something like equals sheet 1 A1 D20. That little exclamation mark just means you're grabbing data from that specific sheet. Next comes the step that really lets us stitch data together from different places. After you've highlighted your first data range and you see it appear in your formula, add a comma, just a simple comma. This comma lets Google Sheets know you want to add another area of data to the mix. Now click over to your second sheet. Just like before, highlight all the cells you want to combine from this sheet. Maybe it's the same range as before or different depending on how your data is set up. You'll see something like sheet 2 A1 D20 added to the formula. You can keep adding more sheets this way, each separated by a comma, if you've got more than 2 to combine. Once you're done, simply close the bracket to finish off the formula and hit enter. Google Sheets now goes to work, pulling everything together into your master tab. This can take a moment if you've selected a lot of data, so don't worry if you see a loading message for a second or two. If everything went right, you'll see your information from the first sheet, then the second neatly stacked right in your master tab. A quick note, if your sheets aren't perfectly aligned, maybe one has more columns than the other or the column headers are in different places, you might need to do a bit of cleanup afterward. But this method gets everything in one place so you can organize and analyze your data in just a few clicks. And that's all there is to it. You've just combined data from multiple sheets in Google Sheets into one master tab, saving yourself tons of time on manual copy-pasting. If this tutorial helped you, let me know by giving it a like, and if you have any questions or if you run into any weird errors, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward Google Sheets tips, and I'll see you in the next one.